Imagine a classroom without walls. The sun is your light, the wind speaking in tandem with your teacher, and the dry earth your textbook. This could be the reality for the future of Australian education, based on learning methods practiced by many Australian Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people, where learning is woven into the fabric of daily life. Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander traditions see education as a journey of understanding their connection to the land, community, and ancestors. Knowledge is not confined to books and stale lectures. It is acquired through direct experience, passed down through generations, and felt deep within the heart. This form of learning is a continuous cycle, a lifelong process of observing, listening, and participating within the rhythms of nature. Elders play a crucial role, guiding younger generations with their wisdom and experience. They share stories, songs, and ceremonies that carry the accumulated knowledge of their people. These teachings are not mere facts to be memorized, but living wisdom, often in relatable story form to be embodied. Every element of the natural world, the plants, animals, and even the rocks, hold valuable lessons. For Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people, the land is not just a geographical location. It is country, a concept that encompasses deep spiritual and ancestral ties. Country is a living, breathing entity, a source of identity, belonging, and responsibility. It is a place where the past, present, and future converge. This profound connection to country shapes understanding of the world and our valued place within it. Learning within this context means understanding the delicate balance of ecosystems. It involves recognizing the interconnection of all living things and respecting the natural laws that govern them. From a young age onward, children are taught to observe the seasons, understand the language of animals, and identify the uses of plants. This knowledge is not simply theoretical. It is essential for survival, ensuring food security, medicine, and shelter, the law of our land. In Aboriginal communities, learning is a collective endeavour, contributed to by the whole community. The entire community becomes a classroom, with knowledge shared and passed down through generations. Elders are revered as the keepers of wisdom, with their stories and teachings shaping the worldview of the young. Language, dance, music, and storytelling are all integral parts of this educational process. Each member of the community plays a role in supporting the learning journey of others. Children learn by observing adults, participating in daily activities, and listening to the stories of their ancestors. This fosters a strong sense of community, responsibility, and belonging. It emphasizes the importance of collaboration and mutual respect, values that are essential for maintaining harmony within the group and with the natural world. Western education often prioritizes the written word and abstract thinking. In contrast, Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander learning models tend to be more multimodal, engaging all the senses. It is about feeling the texture of the earth, smelling the scent of the bush, and listening to the whispers of the wind. This immersive approach to learning allows for a deeper understanding and connection to the natural world. By using all their senses, learners develop a keen awareness of their surroundings. They learn to read the subtle signs of nature, predict weather patterns, and navigate by the stars. This intimate knowledge of the environment is not just practical, it is also deeply spiritual, fostering a sense of awe and wonder for the natural world. Stories are the lifeblood of education. Passed down through generations, they carry the wisdom, history, and values of the people. These stories are not mere entertainment. They serve as powerful teaching tools, conveying complex ideas about morality, ethics, and the relationship between humans and nature. Woven into these narratives are lessons about respect for the land, the importance of community, and the consequences of human actions. Each story becomes a seed planted in the minds of listeners, growing into a deeper understanding of their place in the world. The act of storytelling itself is a communal experience, strengthening bonds and transmitting knowledge in a way that is both engaging and profound. The natural world is a living library. Every plant, animal, and element holds a story, a lesson waiting to be discovered. By observing the behavior of animals, understanding the properties of plants, and reading the signs of the seasons, Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander learners gain a rich understanding of the connectivity of life. This knowledge is not static. It is constantly evolving as new generations observe, experiment, and adapt to the changing environment. Traditional ecological knowledge, accumulated over centuries, provides a valuable framework for understanding the delicate balance of ecosystems and the impact of human actions. Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander learning systems offer a bridge between the modern world and the ancient wisdom of the past. They provide a perspective on education, one that emphasizes the connections between all living things and the importance of respecting the natural world. This approach is particularly relevant today as we face global challenges such as climate change and environmental degradation. By integrating Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander knowledge into mainstream education, we can foster a deeper understanding of our place in the world and inspire a new generation of stewards for the planet. These teachings emphasize the importance of sustainability, reciprocity, and responsibility, values that are essential for creating a more just and harmonious future. In a world increasingly dominated by technology and virtual experiences, the learning methods discussed offer a powerful reminder of the importance of direct engagement with the natural world. They teach us to listen to our environment, read the stories etched in the bark of trees, and find wisdom in the silence of the bush. By embracing these teachings, we can rediscover the inherent value of nature and our connection with all living things. We can learn to see the world through new eyes, appreciating the delicate balance of ecosystems and the importance of preserving biodiversity for future generations. The future of education in Australia lies in embracing diverse ways of knowing and learning. By recognising and integrating Aboriginal learning systems, we can create a richer, more holistic approach to education, one that honours the wisdom of the past while preparing students for the challenges of the future. This means creating spaces where Indigenous voices can be heard, where traditional knowledge
Want to rise to your full potential in your studies and revise like a boss? You can trust Study Guide today to have you covered. Subscribe to this channel and see our website linked in the description of this video to see revision articles to maximize your study gains.